back to my channel. Today I'm so excited to unbox the Queen of Lenses contacts. 3-tone gray. I haven't opened them all the way yet, but just open to see what they look like. So it came with this really cute confetti. Got a business card. And finally, the contact lens. This is the box right here. This is what it looks like. 3-tone satin gray. And let's open these up and see what's in here. Okay, so we got a pair of contact lens case, which is awesome to have. Only thing I gotta buy is the solution. This is the front part. Here's the back part. So I'll be right back and we'll see how they look. So this is what it looks like afterwards, after I put in the contacts. I've been out today, as you can see, my whole outfit has changed, my makeup's changed. I didn't put that much on makeup today because my eyes are a little bit irritated just because I haven't put on contacts before. These retailed for $30 online at QueenofLenses.com. Also, next month is my November giveaway. Tell me what you guys would like to have. Comment, let me know. Also comment and let me know what you guys think of these contacts on me. What else? But again, I'm so happy with them. They look so good on me and I'm going to wear these. So thanks for watching, you guys. Bye.